Life isn't a vending machine. You can't just punch in a number and get an answer. You can't chat GPT. Does God exist? I mean, you probably can, but you certainly will not be satisfied.
These questions, these deep, real-life questions, they take a long time to answer.
There are no shortcuts. Nobody expects to get ripped after one visit to the gym. You have to practice. You have to have discipline, persistence, day in and day out, again, and again, and again, and again, and again. Albert Einstein once said, any fool can know. The point is to understand.
We're not going to feed you answers. You're going to have to figure it out on your own. We're not a vending machine. We are a yeshiva.